Notepad++ is a free, open-source text and source code editor for Windows. It's known for its lightweight design, efficient performance, and support for numerous programming languages, including C++, HTML, CSS, and PHP. It also used as an alternative to the built-in Windows Notepad, offering features like syntax highlighting, code folding, and tabbed editing. Well, it's not just a lightweight text editor. It also offers powerful extensions that allow you to connect directly to your website or server via FTP. By using the NppFTP plugin, you can edit files stored on a remote server without needing to download or re-upload them manually. Here is how to configure FTP in Notepad++ using the NppFTP plugin, which allows users to connect directly to an FTP, SFTP, or FTPS server from within Notepad++ itself. Before setting up FTP in Notepad++, there are a few prerequisites to consider. First, make sure you have the latest version of Notepad++ installed on your system. You'll also need access to a remote server with FTP, SFTP, or FTPS enabled. This includes your FTP hostname or IP address, username, password, and the port number, commonly 21 for FTP, 22 for SFTP. Now, to enable FTP functionality, you'll first need to install the NppFTP plugin. Launch Notepad++ and navigate to the top menu bar. Click on Plugins, then select Plugins Admin. A window will appear listing all available plugins. In the search bar, type NppFTP, then check the box next to it and click Install. Notepad++ may prompt you to restart the application. Do so to complete the installation. After installation, you'll need to enable the plugin interface. Go to Plugins NppFTP, Show NppFTP window. A panel will appear on the right side of your Notepad++ window. This is where you can manage all FTP connections, configure server profiles, and browse remote directories. To add a new server, click the gear icon in the NppFTP panel and select Profile Settings. In the window that appears, click on Add New to create a new profile. Give your profile a recognizable name, for example, My Test Server, and click OK. Next, you need to enter your FTP server details. At Hostname section, you need to enter your domain name or IP address. Next, enter the username and password for your FTP account. Connection type, choose between FTP or SFTP depending on your server's configuration. The port number automatically selected, usually 21 for FTP or 22 for SFTP. You will get all these details on your hosting control panel or contact your hosting provider for details. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Close to save the profile. Now, to connect your FTP server, right-click on your profile name and select Connect. If your credentials and settings are correct, Notepad++ will establish a connection and display your remote directory structure inside the panel. You can now browse server files, open them directly in Notepad++, make edits, and simply save to push changes instantly to the server. This seamless workflow is perfect for maintaining websites or modifying live code. You can right-click on any file or folder within the remote view to perform actions such as open, load the file into a new Notepad++ tab, download, save a copy to your local system, rename, delete, or upload files as needed. Once a file is open, any changes you make can be saved directly to the server by hitting Ctrl+S or clicking File Save.